Yes, dear students, now we are going to discuss the first personality in our syllabus, Contemporary Indian Philosophy, Swami Vivekananda. You know, Swami Vivekananda was a great Vedantist. His philosophy is called as a practical Vedanta. What is the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda? Practical Vedanta. Swami Vivekananda called this Vedanta philosophy as a practical Vedanta. Practical Vedanta is the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda. In order to make Vedanta practical philosophy for life, he laid emphasis upon the following teachings of Vedanta. Swami Vivekananda wanted to make Vedanta a very practical. It should be a practical philosophy for life. Vedanta is not something which cannot be practiced in our life. According to Swami Vivekananda, this Vedanta philosophy can be easily practiced by each and everyone in our day-to-day life. That's why Vivekananda called his philosophy as practical Vedanta. Vedanta is not something which cannot be practiced in our day-to-day life. The very word Vedanta can be catched and practiced in our day-to-day life. That's why we want to make Vedanta a philosophy of practical. It should be adopted in our day-to-day life. Vedanta should be a practical philosophy for life. To make Vedanta philosophy a practical philosophy for life, Swami Vivekananda laid down certain characteristics. What are they? We are going to see. Number one, oneness. Oneness. The first point is oneness. The idea of unity or oneness in the cosmos is the central idea of Vedanta philosophy.